Building an API can feel like choosing the right superhero for the job. Each one's got unique strengths, and the fate of your digital world hangs in the balance. First, let's talk Spring Boot, the Java powerhouse. Think enterprise-level stability, rock-solid security, and vast community support. It's perfect for complex applications where scalability and reliability are paramount. So, if your team already has extensive Java experience and needs enterprise-grade solutions, Spring Boot might be the framework for you. Next up is Node.js, the JavaScript speedster. Its non-blocking architecture delivers incredible performance and real-time capabilities. Its single-threaded, event-driven architecture is well-suited for highly concurrent applications. This means your team can build faster and deploy quicker using JavaScript familiar technology. It's ideal for startups and agile teams prioritizing speed and responsiveness. Finally, we have Django, the Python web wizard. Known for its rapid development capabilities, Django streamlines web application creation with its ORM and bacteria-synclid approach. Its built-in security features protect your app from common web vulnerabilities. So, if your team values rapid prototyping and clean, Pythonic code, Django is a fantastic option. Ultimately, the best choice hinges on your team's expertise, specific project requirements, and desired performance profile. Consider these trade-offs carefully to select the API framework that will truly empower your business and make you a hero.